Hello everyone, welcome to Research Circle. Our today's topic for discussion is how to write your CV, and there are some top tips of 2021. So, we all know job seeking is very stressful, particularly in this pandemic situation, and as the chances are very less, and dozens of people will apply for the same job. So, the land a job, you need to impress hiring management the most. So we are come with some handy tips you can use it while making your CV or resume. First here is show you are passionate about. Show how passionate you are. That employers love it when you show passion for your work. But that passion needs to be transferred to a piece of paper. Being passionate is a trait that most employers value. But to effectively grab their attention, you need to show your passion for the industry and the role you are after. So, what to do? What to what? So, how do you do this? By including side projects you have worked on or relevant to the positions you are applying. You can do that. The next tip here is be specific and impactful. Now, what does it mean? That this is the tip that you're probable heard before one that works. Nonetheless, you when you're applying for a job, you need to make it clear to the hiring managers how impactful you have been in the previous job roles. You need to highlight the result of your involvement. Doing so would instantly make your CV stand out from the rest. So this can be done by using bullets, each one for each position. But instead of using 10 bullets, try to split in half and make them count. So namely, according to the some website, try to make them short and concise but very specific. Okay. Now the next one is use colors. Now in 2019, hiring managers work by scanning each CV for total of 10 seconds before choosing to continue or discard the complete CV. Now this is why we recommend that highlight your most important achievements. Now this will tell hiring managers that you have done your research and you are not just another guy who are applying for their job opening. It tells that you care and willing to invest and want this job desperately. On the other note, we suggest that you avoid using colors when applying for the corporate and especially government jobs. If you still want, we suggest you use combination of gray and black color only. The next is keywords. Okay, generally write a good job description is one of the most important for one's entire CV. When writing the job description part, make sure you mention down these things like keyword that relate to soft and hard skills acquired on the job, keywords describing your experience, years of work and responsibilities, keywords describing the culture of the environment and why you believe you would be good fit for the role. So in general, don't overuse keywords as it can look a bit of force. So while you should add relevant keywords whenever you can use in your resume, and try to make it look more natural as opposed to forced one. If you want to see how it's done, you can check some other good resume examples as well. Now, here comes the fifth and last tip, that be confident in your writing. So, your CV is your own personal marketing document that holds all your past professional experiences, but this document also tells that who you are, what your core values are, and what the things you have achieved so far. So it's important that you are confident when writing it in a manner that's consistent, specific, and balance your professional and personal character. So this was the small video and of some tips for writing your CV. So I hope this will surely help you. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much.